శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం థర్డ్ స్కంధం తృతీయ స్కంధం Suta Mahamuni giving his teachings to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, now Vidura asking a question to Maitreya. Vidura heard about all that process of creation which is told by Maitreya. Now asking, O Maitreya, I do want to know about Swayambhuva Manu, and I want to learn more about his sons Priyavrata and Uttanapada. How did they rule this earth? How did they took care of this bhumi? I want to learn more about that. And also, O Maitreya, I want to learn about Devahuti, who is the daughter of Swayambhuva Manu, and how Devahuti and Kardama Prajapati. I want to learn more about their family, their children. Also, Ruchiryo Bhagavan Brahman Dakshova Brahmanaha Sutaha, and two other daughters of Swayambhuva Manu, Akuti, Prasuti. They married to Ruchi and Daksha. Ruchi and Daksha are Prajapatis. I want to learn more about their Vamsam, their children. O Maitreya, please give me all the details of Kardama Devahuti, Ruchi Akuti, Daksha Prasuti. Like that, when Vidura asked Maitreya, first of all he is telling about Kardama Devahuti's story. He is saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma ordered Kardama Prajapati to do Manava Srishti, to create human beings. Then Kardama Prajapati went into Saraswati river and did tapasya for 10,000 years. Pleased by his severe tapasya, Sakshat Srimannarayana Pundarikaksha appeared to Kardama Prajapati. Now Kardama Prajapati, enjoying Srimannarayana's Pundarikaksha's, the divine Divyamangala Vigraham, and Kardama Prajapati enjoying Srimannarayana's Divyamangala Vigraham, which is glowing with unlimited effulgence. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.